The following video is proudly presented by MightyOxTrading. All information contained in this video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. It is not financial or investment advice. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Friday. Start of a holiday week. It's like nobody here. Maybe everyone already started the holiday week. Start up my phone so at least I have myself watching. There we go. Okay. Nasdaq's moving. So, good morning, everybody. Not sure where everyone is this morning, huh? Okay, well, I'll just start off like normal. Overnight, Kappa continues to drop. Everything seems to be dropping. The markets are on fire. About 300 ticks of volume. Not volume. Range. That's it, range. Hey, Dave, how you doing? Gold fell under 1800, actually all the way down now to 1786. Huge drop. It's about 22 points of range. UltraBond. That looks like a pretty cool roller coaster. It's made a new daily high since I made this line. About a point and a half of range. Natural gas has been, after that huge drop yesterday, just under, well, about 990 ticks of range. And crude popping up there, nearing high a day, about 4 points of range. So that's very sit. NQ has been giving some nice moves overnight, it looks like. How are you doing today, Dave? How are you doing today, Dave? Easy for me to say. So let's look at NQ here. Let's see. beautiful move here. Actually, we're gonna go move to the 5. Because during the day, the 1 gets a little too jumpy. You can see a nice 30-point move down. Excuse me. It's trying to come curl back down now. Let's move up limits for 60. Let's move up. 40. Let's move down. So definitely some nice moves on the 5. Stalker. Oh. Not sure where everyone else is this morning. We'll watch and we will wait. And I will eat some eggs. Okay. So I'm going to eat eggs. While we wait to see what NASDAQ and anything else wants to do. Nice rise on agriculture overnight. Gold continuing to move down here. See here. Just made a new low. You can see the beautifulness of where this move, both places, well, this move's been going on a while actually. Actually started way last night. Look at that. Basically been coming down the entire time. You can see the places you could have got in easily. Right here. There. There. Yep, gold is just dropping like a rock. People love when I say that. This has been a good entry on crude. A lot of good trading overnight. I just need to get it. start trading overnight, I need to get a lot more caffeine and maybe a little bit of methamphetamines. I'm just kidding. YouTube, don't shut me down. What's Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin had the weirdest chart last night. I mean, I don't have Bitcoin, but I'd love to know what caused that. That's like the biggest candle you've seen in Bitcoin in like ever. Not ever, but in a long time. And it rose up and it's given it almost all back. Definitely interesting. See, I had a very good night on Apex account last night, up $380 on that. And I took a devastating loss on the TCP. I'm down 50 cents. Now people are starting to show up. Everybody's alarm clock go off late today. So I didn't take this short here, and I should have. Came up, curled back down and around. Everybody look what's going around. Still eating eggs and watching. Market right now looks like it wants to sell today, but I don't know. We did get under 400 last night and it rose back up. I try not to have any type of bias in this trade what I see. That's easier said than done. One short here, 2 micros. I'm sorry, 5 micros. See if we can break through this support. That support is rather new, but we can see it's hit it a couple of times. Here on the 15. It was the low of the last hourly candle. At 458. Looks like it just bounced there again. A little bit of a risk to get in here, so we'll see what happens. Account of my own. ACP figures. There we go. That's a nice, just went through that resistance. Gonna continue down. Up, kind of hanging right on it. I'm sorry, support. Watch it as I finish up my eggs. Hello, MedX. How you doing? Doing all right. Still kind of waking up. Nice move down here. I have not heard about ICT mentorship. Okay, we just hit our target on 4. We're gonna let one run. May have found a bottom. Looks like it's trying to come back up. Might stop me out at break even on the 1. So what is ICT mentorship? So bounced off 450. Remember, the market likes halves and wholes. So get through that 450. Cool. Free is always good. There's got through 50. Let's see how far it continues down now. Yeah, I figured that now. Yeah, Have you done it? Or are you doing it? But back up here. Ah, okay. That's cool. I'm glad to hear that. So we're still in this one. See if we can get move down further. We already cashed out 4 of 5 micros on this trade. Which asset or assets do you like to trade, Medics? Hey, DN, good morning. How are you? Just 5 minute candles. He's trying to go back to red and then green and then green and then red. It's like a blinking Christmas light. Low of the move has been 444 and 3/4. If we can get down there, continue. Just kind of watching here. Stopped trailing by about 10 points. See, we've been kind of consolidating here in the last 10, last 4 to 5 minutes. As it's popping up. Yeah, some people are wizards with that stuff, like Canadian futures trader with his DOM only trading, DOM, whatever that is. I'm glad that's working out for you, MedX. Little bounce there on gold. Oil starting to move. Got about 5 minutes until top of the hour. Maybe I'll take a few minutes and check that out over the weekend. Looks like it wants to continue to push down, but it's struggling here. It can't get below 47 to 44. There we go, maybe. There we go. Down to 437, 435. There we go. There's the breakout. You can trade now, regular trading hours today. Still heading down here. Trailing. Beautiful move down. Cashed out 4 at 15 points. This one has gone about 30. Little bounce here. Trailing by 15. So if this comes back to hit me, it'll be 20 right now. A 20-point profit on just this one micro. Let's see. Looks like it's going to take us out here. Oh, that's weird. We're out. Okay, so that's where we bounced. So that was a great trade. Hold on, I'll get you the stats. Boom, 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 boom. That was a $157.50 winner. No, I'm sorry, $158.50 winner. Because I was down 50 cents. I'm now up 158. There's the top of the hour. Yeah, it was just a quick pullback. You can see it trying to come back down now. Two-bar pullback and then right back down here at the top of the hour. I'm happy with that trade. Next resistance is 415-ish. 412 and a half. See what everything else is doing. Gold's trying to pop back up there a little bit. Crude continuing this beautiful move up. In the last 4 hours, it's moved up 3 points. Oops. UltraBond bounced off the EMA, continued up. See this beautiful move here. Right here, wait for confirmation in on this candle. That would have been about 21 ticks. Copper popping up. And natural gas making a nice move. Over $1,000 in the last 20 minutes. So July is starting very weak for the market. And from what I read, this was the worst first half of the year for the S&P in 52 years, since 1970, something like that. Let's see, do we have news today at all? We have some sort of manufacturing report coming out at 10 a.m. U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI. So have to keep an eye on that. Get your chart issue figured out, MedX. You need to watch my email for the new earn a trade discount. Has not come out yet. Good morning, Matt. How are you doing? Great job, Matt. Excellent. I had one trade this morning, $158.50 winner. This moved down here on NQ. And of course, from last night, I'm up $380 on Apex. Thinking a large swath of my viewership has already taken the weekend off. Earn to Trade is still not announced their July 4th sale or their new monthly sale or whatever sale they're going to sell. That ship has sailed. On what? For the Apex? It was 300 up 380 last night. Now I was up majorly on Apex and I gave it all back, so now it's building back up. And I got 2 more weeks to pass, or else I'll have to renew, and I really don't want to renew. Yeah, I hit like 4 straight trades last night for $100 each. I was down for a little, went down a little bit, and then I hit 4 straight 5-point trades last night, 5-point scalps on NQ. See ES and NQ trying to head up toward that EMA line. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Well, yeah, and the other thought is we have 3 huge news events coming up. It could be a heart thumper candidate. Market's gotten kind of lazy here and lost a little bit of oomph. Sloppy market losing its oomph. We'll have to see if it can be found and lost and found. Well, that just marks the new stupidest thing I've said this morning. MightyOxTrading proudly presents our once a month overnight extended live stream. I invite you to join me on Friday, July 8th, starting at 2 a.m. for 9 hours of live trading of the futures market. At 3 a.m., we will trade the London session open and continue through the night. At 8:30 a.m., the markets rock and roll with non-farm payroll support, and we will live trade this important news event. Then at 9:30, we'll listen for the bell to ring and trade the U.S. regular trading hours cash open. So grab a snack, a comfy chair, and some or lots of caffeine, and join me for some or all of this special 9-hour stream on Friday, July 8th. Yep, we're oomphas. No oompa loompas. ES is trying to turn colors here. True colors. Have any plans for the weekend, Matt? Me neither. How's everyone else out there doing today? Always feel free to jump in the chat and say hi. If you have questions, always willing to answer them. And if I don't know the answer, I'd be honest. And I'll see if anyone else knows the answer. Comments, suggestions are always welcome as well. To the 2 new subscribers, if you're here, welcome. And I thank you for subscribing. I started the morning at 666 subscribers. Now it's 668. Good question. Oh. I know once you place an order on the chart, you can then draw out your profit target and stop loss. Uh, huh. Hey, Linux. Been a couple of days. How you doing, buddy? How's the world of Forex treating you? Yeah, I'm not sure, Matt. Again, you're right. Their documentation sucks. I'm doing all right. Not rich yet either. Not in a camper though. No, I'm kidding. That sounds like you're relaxing and enjoying life a little bit. Gold is continuing to head down, so I have no idea what this sell-off on gold's about. We haven't been this low. Well, we hit this little spike down here at 1785. Actually, we just went below that, kind of bounced. But if we break that, then gold has not been this low since January 28th. And then if we break that, you got to go all the way back to January 7th. But yeah, we're down 23 points today on gold. Okay, why summer in parentheses there, Linux? And that, I think we're going to have to maybe explore some quant tower videos on YouTube. Going to Twitter here to see if anything's being said about gold. Oh, okay. Okay, so there we just broken the EMA. NQ's rising up to 11,477. He was wondering uh, Linux. Matt was wondering if there's any way to like place an order right from the chart. Like you just click on the chart, right click on the chart like you can with NinjaTrader. If I trade my mouse, I want at least a guinea pig in return. I'm trying, at least in the we only have the free version, and here, let me go to scene here. Hold on. Here's my quant tower chart, and when I click on it, I see symbols, lookup, object manager, style, aggregation, range, data type, overlay, indicators, drawing tools, volume analysis, view. What's in view? I don't know. Export data, reload history, refresh and settings. What's under settings? Order entry. Yep. Yeah, I see the mouse thingy. I have no idea what it does. I mean, I don't know what mouse trading does. So for now, I stay out of that. Matt, do either of those accounts come with a SIM account that you can play with or not? Oh, good. Hey, CBR, how are you doing this morning? You working today or are you off? And do you have to work the weekend? Everybody's working toward the weekend. That sucks. I mean, I guess it's good to be off the weekend, but having to work the actual holiday sucks. Awesome. Okay, I like that mouse trading. Oh wait, you gotta hit the mouse each time. You gotta hit that little mouse each icon each time. Ah, time and a half or double time. Uh, you see crude oil approaching 109. And Q, trying to decide what it wants to do here as it hangs around the EMA. I was thinking it sounds really oh, 2.5 times. Wow, that's excellent pay. I was thinking there had to be because that would be really annoying to have to hit that little button each time and then do it. Still watching the announcement from Earn a Trade about the new sale. Still not out yet. Oh wait, yeah it is. The Earn a Trade sale is live, but unfortunately, I have not gotten any promotional material on it. But 50% off all evaluations, TCP and Gauntlet Mini. I believe this is only running through Monday. But Earn a Trade, 50% off all accounts and all account types. So the TCP, which I believe is now back to starting at the 25K, is $75. The 25K Gauntlet Mini is 75. The huh. Not sure what the regular price was. These prices seem off. And I lost the chat. There we go. That's a good question as well because I don't have the. Probably lifetime, but I have not gotten any material yet which is par for the course. So let me find out. First of all, let me check some other things. If anything exciting happens in the market, let me know, because I'm kind of not watching right now. Now, I'm going to say that things still are not working right. Yeah, something's not right. Give me a minute, I gotta type the gabs. Oh wait, maybe it's not live. Oh, what the heck? Yeah, now it's live. There, duh. Okay. Okay, guys, do not do anything because there's apparently some sort of issue, and I'm finding out the answer to your question as well, Matt, here in a minute. Um, Let me go quick see what the market's doing, and then I will get back to this. But reminder for anybody's sales this weekend, remember you should take advantage of the sales as late as possible. If you sign up today, then you lose basically the 3 out of the next 4 days of your subscription because there's only one trading day between now and the end of Tuesday. So you should sign up as late as possible, Monday or Tuesday, so you don't lose those 4 days of your subscription. Nice big pop up on NQ there by 40 points on that 5 minute candle. Pull back here now. So not sure what caused that little pop. Probably because I wasn't paying attention. Okay, we don't know. As soon as we get more information about the lifetime or the first month, I'll let you know. CFT doesn't know either, and if CFT doesn't know, then nobody knows. So a little bit of a pullback there on crude as well. Crude desk opens in about 22 minutes. Big candle up, but now it's giving back. I guess Mr. G must have headed to the beach. He's not here today. I don't know if he's anywhere near a beach, but you know. As soon as I find out more details, I will let you know. So we'll continue to watch and wait here on both the earn and trade discount and on some price action. Things seem slow today besides that last big candle. I see some the numbers going up. Welcome everybody. Glad to have you. Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. I'm up on 2 of 3 accounts, so decent day so far. Market seems a little bit muted or docile. If and when they ever get the kinks worked out of this earn the trade sale, remember, I do have a link in the video description. Probably should take down. I don't have anything to replace that banner up there. That banner up there is no longer valid for earn the trade. That was last month's sale, but I don't have anything to replace it with. It's gonna look weird if I just put that as a blank space. These are the times that try men's souls. Hey, yeah. How you doing? Yeah, they're having a good day. Hopefully, my goal is to try to make between $200 to $300 a day on each account this month. At 3 accounts now, I'll probably have 4 accounts as of next week. That's the goal. Cool, Matt. By the way, Lennox, thank you for your help if you're still here. I kind of got lost in Earn the Trade's discount that I didn't. I lost track of the chat. Definitely a docile market right now. $45 minutes to the bell. Sorry, I think I accidentally was rubbing the mic with my finger. Hello, John. So far, so good. How are you doing? Yeah, I was thinking that. I mean, even the viewership numbers are down today. I got a nice trade earlier on this move down here, right here, for 158.50. My Apex is up $380, but that was all from last night's trades. You know, the Europe session was obviously moving. You can see here at the hourly chart with a whole lot of lines. Lines, lines, everywhere there's lines. Anyway, we had some movement definitely on, during Europe and in Asia, but now we're just, ugh. What's anything? Oh, gold. Hey, John, what's this drop in gold about? Any idea? Little pullback on crude there, 10 minutes before the crude desk opens. Big, big new boom. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, easy for me to say. Big move here on natural gas. Let's see. But would have needed a 30-point stop. You see this move up. Yeah, wow, that's a $2,000 move. $2,300 move. Ah, okay. Yeah, I don't really watch the U.S. dollar. Well, I guess I should though, because I mean I do watch. Let's see what all the other. Yeah. Oh yeah. Look at the pound being pounded. The yen's kind of hanging in there. The euro's going down. Canadian dollar's down, and the New Zealand dollar's down. I will not say what's going through my mind. I will not say what's going through my mind. I will not say what's going through my mind. And Q's struggling to get back above 500 here. That's where we got the 504, 503, 498, 508, 502. And that's where we've been now for the last 25 minutes. Hey Kim, how's it going? Accolades? Hello. Yes, I am, John. CBR? Yes, most likely. It may even not even be on Tuesday. I might do a special video for it, an online video for the announcement. But here's my quick 44-second promo for July 8th. Mighty Ox Trading proudly presents our once a month overnight extended live stream. I invite you to join me on Friday, July 8th, starting at 2 a.m. for 9 hours of live trading of the futures market. At 3 a.m., we will trade the London session open and continue through the night. At 8:30 a.m., the markets rock and roll with non-farm payroll report, and we will live trade this important news event. Then at 9:30, we'll listen for the bell to ring and trade the U.S. regular trading hours cash open. So grab a snack, a comfy chair, and some or lots of caffeine, and join me for some or all of this special 9-hour stream on Friday, July 8th. Yeah, the announcement's about a sponsorship of the stream. It's going to be a 1 month trial period for both sides. See how it goes. I mean, it's not finalized. It's supposed to get finalized Sunday morning when they're making me get up early. Uh, but so it's not. I mean, it's not 100% definite at this point, but it's at 98.12% definite. Yep, I got 12 packs sitting here. And because of that stream, for anyone that follows me on Sharevision, I will not have a Thursday evening stream because I'll use that time to take a nap. And Q now finally gave up trying to get above 500, dropped back down to that EMA line. Gold popped up. Gold's popped up like 6 points in the last 15 minutes. I want to thank everyone for joining me this morning as we approach the 9 o'clock hour. If you're enjoying the stream, I hope you hit that like button, that thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't joined the herd here and subscribed, I would like if you do so. If you're enjoying the content, we continue to try and grow the stream. We're up to 668 now. So we head toward that 1,000. Always feel free to jump in the chat and say hi. Ask questions, comments, statements. And if you have an install, go for it. Hit that EMA line, popped up. Gonna try again. There's the top of the hour. Getting some trying to get some top of the hour oomph. Oh, it broke 500 there. But does not have velocity get above it yet. Crude selling off with the desk opening. Well, sometimes mistakes are a good thing. Just tried to go long on NQ, accidentally entered the wrong direction, got a win. uh, Now we're only down $4 on the Gauntlet account, so it's about a $33 win. I quickly exited when I realized I was the wrong direction, so I didn't even get a chance to show it. Hey, Black Beauty, it's been a while. How you doing? How's oil treating you? Glad to hear it. uh, Dude, write that and I bet you could sell it and make big money. You could package it with Ace and RJ's nonsense and gibberish indicator. Speaking of Ace, he isn't here yet. Neither is RJ. Everybody's late today. So Black Beauty, have you been trading, or have you taken a few days off, or what's been up? So big rebound here on gold from 1783 up to 1793, so 10 points. Look at me, I'm doing math. Yes, it is. Excellent job, Matt. Crude dipped down there a bit at the desk open, but now it's trying to pop back up. Gonna head back up toward 109. Oh, there's Ace. Good morning. Hello. Oh, well, that's not good. With Elite. Just something new, or has it been going on for a while? And Q trying to curl back down to that EMA. Sorry to hear that, accolades. Hey, learner, PC screen or phone screen? So besides gold all of a sudden ripping up, not much happening here in the indices. A little bit of a pop up there on crude, 20 ticks, off a bounce off that uptrending EMA line there. Natural gas, I'm sorry, the UltraBond really heading up. Look at that move. Copper, nice, 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 nice. I'm skipping like a record. How many of you even know what a record is anymore? New rules. Uh, I'm not a doctor, nor do I play one on TV. Um, you should try. I would I would take ibuprofen, but I take a lot of supplements that are anti-inflammatory, so that helps a lot with pain. Matt, uh, that the earn to trade sale is live now, and it is for the life of the subscription. Earn to Trade is celebrating the 4th of July with a bang. Starting now, we're offering 50% discount on all subscriptions. Get half off by clicking the text below. This is I'm reading this off Discord. And use Discount fireworks 22. This discount applies to every month of your subscription. The offer expires on July 4th at midnight. The end of the day of July 4th, not the beginning. Remember, I have a link in my video description below for Earn a Trade. And remember, again, I said if you all want to take advantage of any 4th of July sales from any of these companies, you should wait until like the 4th, the last day, so you don't end up wasting 3 or 4 days of your subscription on days you can't trade. Because Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday is just one trading day. I mean, obviously you don't trade at all on Saturday, but you know what I'm saying. Yes, that's correct, Matt. Pull back now, gold. Crude's just kind of sitting there. Everything is kind of sitting there, so it's going to be interesting to see if we get any type of burst at the open. Yeah. Every now and then they do, but very rarely. Got a bot attack going on the Earn the Trade Discord. Luckily, they can't get past the verification. Oh, reminder. That's another thing. Since we got like not much going on. Give me 1 second here to get the screen here. Ah, come on. Earn the Trade is having a giveaway on their Discord. Sorry, there we go. First prize is a free Trader Career Path. Second prize is a free 50K Gauntlet Mini. Third prize is a 70% off 150K Gauntlet Mini. Fourth prize is a free reset. And fifth prize is a 50% off reset. Come on over to the Earn the Trade Discord. You do not need to be a customer of Earn the Trade to be part of the Discord. There's a lot of good trader talk as well. Just come on over and you can enter the contest just by hitting this little blue button in the giveaway section. You do need to have like 5 posts before you can enter the giveaway. But you can see there's a lot of good trader chat here. Some guy advertising his stream. I don't know who that is. It's spam. But yeah, people talking about trading. It's not just about Earn a Trade. People talk about every company, etc., etc. So come on over, get into the conversation, and enter if you're interested. Enter the giveaway to potentially get a free or heavily discounted evaluation from Earn a Trade. I'll post the Earn a Trade invite here. Good morning, RJ. Good morning, Justin. So yeah, easy for me to say. Kind of grinding up here. We're staying up right around 500. Market definitely lacks oomph today. And when you're lacking oomph, you're an oomph lacker. I don't know. Well, that just passed everything else with the stupidest thing I've said today. Kim and Justin have recently joined the Earn to Trade Discord. I think they have good reviews of it. Can it take us higher? Right now, nothing going on. Let's look at our Bollingers. A lot of room to go either way at the bell, so not too worried about hitting Bollingers. Most likely, I will not be streaming on Monday morning. It's kind of a game time decision whether or not I do, but most likely I won't be. I gotta get up early on Sunday for a meeting, so I'm probably gonna take a couple extra hours of sleep on Monday instead. And if we're this dead on the Friday before, I'm thinking we're gonna be even deader on the Monday, on the actual holiday. uh, well, then we actually don't have any holidays again till Labor Day. Yep, NQ's trying to push up, yeah. It's just not getting any momentum. Can't force a trade. Oh, well, there we go. Just got the email from Earn a Trade. Give me one sec. I'll have a new banner up. Yay. Oh, the rejection down there. have to remember which image it is. There we go. Browse. And by the magic of the internet, we have a new banner. So far, I've only taken one trade this morning. It was 157 8. I'm sorry, $158.50 winner. I did have a great evening last night on Apex, up $380, and I took a devastating loss on the Gauntlet account, and I'm down $4. Oil is flat. Gold is kind of hemming and hawing. I did. I was down $37 in the Gauntlet, and the mistake trade made me like $33. So now I'm only down $4 on the Gauntlet. Oh yeah, okay. I did take, yes, right. I take a second trade. Yeah, I forgot about that one. So yeah, I've taken two trades this morning. One was an accident. I meant to go long. I went short and actually made money. Some of my best trades are by accident. It makes me really think I should just like throw darts at the screen to decide when to enter. We're about 5 minutes from the bell and the whistle. The only thing about throwing darts at the screen is kind of keep replacing the monitors. Yeah, Matt. That's very true, Ace. Very, very true. Big move down here in NQ as we head toward the bell. By big, I mean 13 points. ES down 2. Oops. Someone didn't like the stream, they unsubscribed. YouTube should show you everybody that unsubscribes. So I can hunt them down. No, okay. Yes, as Ace reminds us, please hit that like button. If you're enjoying the stream. If you're not enjoying the stream, then no pressure. RJ seems to have disappeared. With 90 seconds to go before the bell. This 5-minute candle's down about 20 points. I guess Ace is trying to say that RJ is actually a goose. Honk, honk, honk. We're 20 seconds away. And there's the bell. Ding, 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 ding. I might actually add a real bell sound. But I just don't know whether I have the coordination to like hit the bell at the right time. I wonder if I could time it somehow. Anyway, big move up here, 27 points, 30, 32. Do I hear 33? 34? I got 34. There's 35. Boom, boom, boom. Well, thanks for ruining the movie for me. Spoiler alert, anybody? $43 points. Yep, it's hitting that 520. Knocking on its door. Knock, knock, knocking on 520's door. I'm so sorry. Anyway, 40 points. Up, we hit a high of 525. There's 530. I just burst that door down. Like cops on a raid. Oh, oh. Well, they're taking maybe taking cops on a raid taking heavy resistance because they pulled back. Big pullback here, back under 500. And all of a sudden, whoosh down. Whoosh. And we're red. Opening 5-minute candles going from green to red. So that five hit 535. So that seems to be yep. Swatted it away. Down, down, down in a burning ring of, I don't know. I'm off today. I'm not coming up with the greatest content. Back to green. It's going to try again. It's hanging back around 500. ES is up 6 points. Market's just as indecisive as it was. Back up toward that 520. But struggling to stay above 500. And fails. Got a minute left on this opening 5-minute candle. And not a lot of direction on it. Back to red. Back to red, back to red. And downish. 30 seconds on this 5. Big move down now, down 22 points. Christmas in July, RJ? Took a short. And look at it go. Boom. Cash that quickly. We cashed out on 4 of the 5 micros with 1 running. Big move down here. Pulling back a bit. Still trailing. Down the, look at this. Move down. Up over 30 points on this, I believe. Yeah, 35 points on this last trailing. I cashed out 4 at 15 points. So got $120 locked in, and we have this one trailing. The 15-point trail. Probably going to come back to hit us here, but let's see. Yeah. Yep, we're out of that trade. Boom. Shakalaka. Let's see the stats. That was on the Gauntlet account, which means all three accounts are now green for the day. That was a $168 winner. And it's been a while since I've seen this, but there we go. All three accounts are now green. You can see in the updated P&L at the top. Great job, Ace. Accolades that started with 5, cashed 4 out at 15 points and let the 1 run. Thank you, RJ. Thanks, Justin. Crude made a nice move down there as I was dealing with the NQ. NQ's continuing to head down. Crude's down 16, 18 ticks on this candle. Gold continues to rise up. So what's our low of the day? Let me go look. Low of the day is 381 and 3/4. So got a way to go before that. We'll see if we continue to sell off. Thanks, John. Thanks, Kim. Yep, all three accounts green. That's the way things need to start going. It's not easy being green. Excellent job, John. Black Beauty, yes, I won that trade. 172 dollars. Yeah. So I was down $4. So yeah, it was a $172 win. Ooh, a big bounce back up. 32 points up. Great job, accolades. Wait a minute. Aren't you dead? Accolades? I thought you weren't going to trade during the day. Didn't you like hit a couple winners last night and then say you weren't going to continue trading? 60 points up. So what a bounce. Back up to 11,500. Yes, up 13. And Q up 70. pull back now. A random learner. But Hacksaw was cool back in the day. So 81 points on this 5-minute candle here now. All of a sudden, the market decided it wanted to sell off, then the market decided, oops, we're going the wrong direction. We want to buy. And we're back to that 520 area that RJ mentioned earlier. We're going up, up, up. And Crude's going down, down, down. Very nice move down here on Crude. Oh, God. Thank you, Justin. I did see that earlier, and then I totally forgot about it. Yep, we have US ISM manufacturing PMI this morning, as well as construction spending month over month, new orders, etc. So be advised of that coming up in about 15 minutes. Well, actually, like right now, we have US S&P manufacturing PMI final. That literally just hit. Still seeing the rise up there. The US S&P manufacturing PMI actual 52.7. The forecast was 52.4, so beat that a little bit. Oh wow, that was a big pullback there, and now it's continuing up. Remember, the goal is just to get profits. And, you're never going to catch the exact tops or the exact bottoms. Power at the random yeah, I can't talk today. Power at the random rap lyric. I'm curious what the motivation was for that lyric. What the context is. So it must have liked those numbers because we're continuing to rise up. We broke through that 520, and what did RJ say? 631. So now all eyes are on 631. Because Nostra RJ bequeathed it. No idea where I got the word bequeath. Yeah, it was definitely a nice rip. Curious, what does the 1 minute chart look like here? See, I still get FOMO with 1 minute charts because you can see here, 1 minute chart would have caught most of that move. 5 minute chart is just now sending me a signal either way, and I'm not going to get in on after that extended candle. I expect it more to fade a little bit first. $90 points. Wow. This is just booming. Be interesting to see what happens now in 10 minutes when more news comes out. 5 minute candle closes in 10 and in 5 seconds. You can see the big pullback here right before it closes. It hit 569 and it's pulled back by over 20. Let's see if we go back up here in the new 5 minute candle or if we pull back. Back, 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 back. A little bit of a pullback here, about 13 points. So the market found its oomph. Now it's kind of just hanging out. Well, nope, there's another rise up. The highest. Yellow's not the best strategy. Patience, my friend, patience. Yep, I agree. Although it's continuing to rise up. It's into the Bollingers. It's above that Bollinger on the 5 by 3 points right now. So let's see. NQ has broken a bunch of resistance points on the way up here. Gone. Gone. Oops. What did I do? Okay. Gone. 104 points on this 15-minute candle. Sounds like a good plan there, Acolytes. uh, words of wisdom from Ace. And perhaps Elon Musk. Next major resistance, 606, and then if we can get through that, then we're going toward whatever RJ said. 631. There we go. Yep, there is no stopping the NQ. It just keeps going and going and going. Interesting uh, fact about me. I have never seen a Bond movie. Oh, wait, you said Bond moves. Oh, yeah, UltraBond's coming. Yeah, coming down. Coming down, down, down. Nope, never. Morning, Marquito. We are 30 seconds from the news. Oh, market likes the news. Market doesn't like the news. Market likes the news. There's 599. There's 600. There's the number that RJ called earlier. Once again, Nostradamus, aka RJ. But pulling back, let's see what the numbers were. Not that I even really understand any of this crap, but U.S. ISM manufacturing PMI actual was 53. Forecast was 54.5. So it missed the numbers. Construction spending missed its forecast. Manufacturing employment index missed its forecast. Manufacturing prices missed its forecast. So all missed its forecast. By the way, RJ and any other Canadians joining us, happy Canada Day. Thank you for taking part of your holiday and being here. Crude's continuing to kind of grind down and chop it. uh, yeah, pulling back here at NQ. So it kind of rose up and doing this little curl around. Back down now. They're feeling like, the guys, the numbers are bad, not good. Turn this ship around. Meanwhile, Crude's still lumbering down. Lumbering. So anybody else take any trades? How's everyone's P&L looking? And how about for the full week? How do we do over the full week? Good job, Ace. So NQ and ES heading down toward the DMA lines. the accolades. Yeah, like I say, I thought you were not going to trade this morning. Weren't you in my stream last night on Sharevision? You hit a couple winners and said you're shutting down. Or maybe I'm imagining that. I don't know. I could go back and look. Popping back up now. The 32-point candle back up. This is where it starts getting harder to trade. So we're kind of watching, waiting there. Seeing if we can get some more interesting moves here. Let's look at what everything else is kind of doing. Copper. Ooh, that was a nice move down on copper. Treasury had that little pullback, but look at that. Holy wow. Natural gas, a bit of a move down. So here we see crude's been coming down for a while now. And natural gas really made new highs since we looked at it early this morning. And then so giving it almost all back. UltraBond. Wow, so I moved this line here, yellow line at 7:30 this morning, right before the stream started. Look how much it's moved. It's going up like 3 points. That's huge for the UltraBond. It has over a 4-point range now today, and that's an amazing move. Gold hit lows earlier and rebounded, still below 1800. Wheat, wow, look at wheat falling. Wheat's getting flattened like a tornado in Iowa. Copper, just hanging around. Euro coming down, pound still pounding. Yen's all over the place. So all agriculture got pounded this morning. Soybeans down, corn's down, soybean meal is down, soybean oil is down. All things soybean. New Zealand dollar popped up. Canadian dollar tried to pop up but failed. That's where we stand here at 10:11 Eastern. Got about a little less than an hour to go in the stream, unless there's something exciting going on. Big move down here in NQ now. 59 points on this candle. Blew through that 520. So we're hanging right around 500. Question is, do we want to go short? We have another minute to decide. $65 points down. Usually alkaloids, yeah, that's true. There's times that it, it's not true, but most of the time that seems to be the truth. 15 seconds ago in this 5-minute candle, it's pulling back just a tad there at the end. Let's see what happens here. Yep, it bounced back up. Strong pop back up. This is what you often see after a big move down like that, is a quick pop back up. Now this might be a 3-bar play where the next one's going to be red. We shall see. But we shall see. Oh, but now we are back to red. Took a short here. Look at that. Oh. Yeah. Just hit my target already. Are you kidding me? There we go. Target hit, out with 4. Trailing with one. I think that one's going to get knocked out, though. Yep, that one got knocked out. So, that's another winner of about $120. Hold on, I'll give you an exact number on that. 1 second. Uh, 119.50 on that. Right back up. So got it, and just decided to come back up. So I went for the break of when it went green to red, and quickly got that, and then it's reversed right away. Gold back up over 1800 here. Crude's still coming down. Crude's trying to break through 107. Now let's see if we end up seeing a red, green, red move here. Remember, folks, it is not easy being green. Or if we're bouncing up and going to come back up. It's kind of dancing here. Dancing, 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 dancing. Dancing in the dark. Yep. Little pop up there on Crude. Black Beauty, are you still here? Did you take anything on Crude today? Natural gas rising up. So let's take a look at copper. See copper here. Break. Down. At least 20 ticks. Up. I don't think that would be 20 ticks. Let's look. Oh yeah, it was 20 ticks. Good. This would have possibly fooled me once, maybe twice. This is where I struggle when it starts going around. So that would have went decently where I probably would have went to a trailing. That one would have failed right away. That one, yeah, that would have worked. And of course this one would have been really good. That one would have taken us higher. And this one, that might have fooled me into taking a short there, and although that wasn't a really good break, I prefer them when they're more like that. You can see that one would have taken me to a stop. And this one. Excuse me 1 second. uh, well, there's DenQ going down. So I was waiting for that break, and then I was playing with copper and didn't watch for the break. So beautiful move down here. Heading back down. Low of the move here at the right after the open was 417. So I was waiting for this to break below here, and I got it, and I wasn't there watching. It's one of those where, we had the break of the EMA changed color, but the big candle meant that we were probably going to see a pullback, which we did. So how would we get in there? We could get in with a small amount of micros with a very wide stop. You can see a 25, no, 20, you need a 30-point stop. So if you go with 2 micros, that'd be a $120 risk. Let's see how far it goes to see if it's worth that risk. And of course, the other way is just to wait and see what happens. And then the third way is to go down to a 1 minute chart and play the moves off the one. A little bit coming back up. So we're at 10:30 with about a half an hour to go. Well, we had a nice little rise on hogs. Natural gas with a nice move up. There's the UltraBond. What did the ZF do? ZF, kind of similar. Gold. Silver. Silver did not have the same kind of bounce as gold did, that's for sure. Well, if we had entered off of that candle there, say with 2 micros and a 30-point stop, or 1 micro and a 30-point stop, whatever, it's gone 48 points from that point. Guess the question is, are we going to sell off the rest of the day? RJ, are we going to... Oh. Have a great weekend, Matt. Enjoy. Rest, relax. RJ, at this point, do you have a downside target? heading toward 417, which was the low of the at the open. I've actually touched 415 and bounced a bit. Bounced big, actually, by 20. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. If you're enjoying the content and haven't already, I appreciate if you hit that thumbs up button for the YouTube algorithm. If you haven't subscribed, I'd love to have you join the herd. So if I'd gotten in on that short, it had gone about 60 points. I mean, I did get some off of that, but I'm saying if I would have gotten in and held. Yeah, but it's back to the 25K. Yeah. $380. Okay, I see that. Yeah, overnight low. Sticking around 420. Blaze it up. I looked at timber futures and they don't really move much. about to try and break 400. Yeah. Jump back up. Back down to try and break through 400. ES is down to 37.54. Gold's pulling back just a bit. It's sitting right on 1800. Will NQ continue to drop? Find out this and more after these commercial messages. But actually, while we're doing this, MightyOxTrading proudly presents our once a month overnight extended live stream. I invite you to join me on Friday, July 8th, starting at 2 a.m. for 9 hours of live trading of the futures market. At 3 a.m., we will trade the London session open and continue through the night. At 8:30 a.m., the markets rock and roll with non-farm payroll support, and we will live trade this important news event. Then at 9:30, we'll listen for the bell to ring and trade the U.S. regular trading hours cash open. So grab a snack, a comfy chair, and some or lots of caffeine, and join me for some or all of this special 9-hour stream on Friday, July 8th. Usually have a bit of a wall right around 400. It's tried a couple of times now and failed. 1 minute chart here, you can see it just hovering there. Trying to bounce back out. Yeah, nice bounce up, almost back up to 430. There, it's 430. 435. So big bounce off of, I think the low got down to 401. Yeah, 401 right there. Bounce back up. Mike, accolades? I cannot believe you just asked in the Discord what the discount is when it's sitting in a banner at the top of the page at the stream you're looking at. And obviously, I'm just giving you crap. Maybe I need to do better job of my advertising. Maybe that's why I don't get any sales. Oh, yep, we're definitely now stuck between 400 and 435-ish. Of course, we are also past that 1030 area. Is this going to be the 1030 reversal? Tad bit delayed. Hanging here, just trying to bounce, 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 bounce. Like a kangaroo. So back up to 11,460. So quite the bounce. Crude also bouncing up, and it turned its EMA white. Copper doing the same. All of a sudden, everything's turning green. Except for the UltraBond, which is pulling back. That's a very nice move up on copper. Copper and platinum. Oh, what's platinum doing? Platinum. Well, nice move up on platinum too. We do Platinum Avenue. Pulling back. And the stream has grown quiet. Back down by 33 points. Didn't even touch that EMA, which is good. Don't want to have to get him for assault. About 10 minutes ago on the stream, I don't know. Kind of like this move down after this 2-bar pullback up. Not the exact name for it, but hey. So we did get down to 401. But the 1-minute candle is a hammer. Actually in green. So, still kind of watching and waiting. Just going sideways here. Up, down, left, right, left, right. Let's take a last look at everything else. Copper, kind of mid-range, trying to come back down. Euro finally finding a little leg up. Yen down. Pound is still trying to prevent from being pounded. Gold still rising up. Silver kind of flat. Wheat kind of heading down further. Platinum rising up. UltraBond, big move down there. Big, 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 big. 24 ticks. Crude about mid-range, slightly under 108. And natural gas, about a little above mid-range. And Q, crossing back, up, trying to rise up, trying to rise up. Y'all got really quiet in the last half hour. Meanwhile, I continue to be annoying. And when you annoy yourself, it's really bad. And let's see if this breaks. It did not turn it, let's see, it's trying to turn it white. Turn my white Christmas blue. 2 minutes on this 5-minute candle. Let's see if we take this trade or not. See if it gives us an entry here. Nope, pulling back. Wick down. Wick down, wick down. Red candle. Stream for a couple more minutes. I want to see if there's actually maybe an entry here. We're not going anywhere here, so we'll call it here. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. It was a good day. Right now in green on all three accounts. Can't guarantee I won't take another trade somewhere, somehow. But anyway, hope everyone has a great holiday weekend. I don't think I'll be streaming Sunday evening on Sharevision or Monday on YouTube. But then, depending on what happens, I might. But most likely, we'll see y'all either Monday night on Sharevision or Tuesday on YouTube. Again, thank you all for being here. And have a great holiday weekend. Take some time to relax and have some fun. And enjoy yourselves. And I'll talk to you next week. Bye. I hope you enjoyed today's live stream. If you did, I'd love if you hit the thumbs up button. Remember, we do stream every morning on YouTube and Twitch from 7:30 a.m. to 11 a.m. and every evening on Sharevision from 7:45 p.m. to 10:30 p.m. and every Friday from 2 to 4 p.m. Also, I'd love to have you follow me on social media. We're on Twitter at MightyOxTrading, Instagram at MightyOxTrading, and Reddit at r/oxmarkettrading. Have a great day. You too, Cletus. Have a good one, Marianne.